Yo, man, it's your boy Sway back here. Another freaking hold up video. And yeah, man, another POV drive. It's been raining for like a week straight, and I'm just getting on a cruise, and man, with the boy. I got my boy A12 in the back with the Mustang. I don't know if you can really see him or not right now, but he got the Mustang in the back. We just cruising around town type. Yeah, man, I'm trying to, you know, whip it around every corner. So y'all just stay tuned, like the video, and yeah. Shit. This motherfucker crazy. Oh shit, my bad, brother. It's a great day. It's like 60 right now. It's crazy. 60s and simmer. No traction control on. Straight whipping. Shit sounds crazy. This car is crazy. Oh my goodness, this car is fucking ridiculous. Oh shit. They told me to rev it. How you gonna tell me to rev it then close your ears? Do it like that. I can't see with this car. Fucking car is insane, Chad. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My boy with the Mustang. Yes, sir. cold. I just said it was 60, but it's getting cold a little bit though. Still recording? Yeah. We out here, chat. Hopefully y'all miss your boy. I ain't dropped in like 3 days, but you know. Oh shit. Oh. You wanna go through campus? Campus downtown? We gonna hit this light right here. This one? The second one. Yeah. Go ahead. All right, bet. Some stuff real quick. Hold up. Got y'all. Homie came with the Honda. Hey, hold on. Hey, my other boy with the Honda. Did we lose my other bro? Oh no, he's alright. This car is so loud, bro. It's crazy. Not the squirrel? came in traffic, caught one of our boys in traffic. I love this car shit. Yeah, I can smell my clutch, all this shit. I'm shaking, bro, because I'm just driving. Like, I don't know. I'm like, clean. He got the cleanest Honda in the town, bro, I swear. He like, what the fuck is that? A little kid. My boy done met up with us. My boy.
I can hear y'all in front of me.
I swear.
I was like, where they at? Good with you, man.
What's good, my boy?
Chilling.
Chilling.
Almost fucking swerved into this guy.
Oh.
That's good. What you doing, bro?
I saw him, I was like, is that my boy?
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, that's my boy.
Whipping, I was like, that's gotta be Nick.
Yeah. What you was doing?
I was going to grab Fisher my food.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Food for her. I was like, nah, I got a cruise, bro.
Yeah, we bored as fuck, so we just cruising around and shit.
Nobody else is coming?
I don't know. Nate was supposed to came, but he said he's supposed to do like a tat or some shit. Yeah. But yeah, we just cruising. It's supposed to be raining all day tomorrow too, so.
All week, bro.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to get more videos in, more cruise time in, feel me?
Yeah.
So this motherfucker look nice. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I need some coilovers, bro.
Yeah, motherfucker do look nice.
The new intake sounds good, though.
Oh, let me see that motherfucker.
Yeah, I heard one, Nick. Bro.
I'm debating it. I just have always heard bad things. Like, if you get an intake, you need to, like, tune it and shit.
No, I mean, I think that's really like Subarus and shit, for real, but this motherfucker do look nice. Yeah, they do look nice.
It comes with a cover, but I just took it off for, like, more.
Yeah.
Is it just a cold air intake?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. They always look so much better than the stock ones.
Damn. Oh, fuck. That's crazy. Damn. That's loud as fuck.
That's crazy. I say I got the cat back and it makes my turbo a little louder.
Yeah.
But man, I need that. I want that.
I bet that shit was night and day difference, bro. Like,
For sure. And I feel like it's way more, like, responsive now.
yeah.
And, like, it has a deeper tone from it.
Yeah,
And
that's.
like it never used to do that. All you do is got a cold air intake
Just
and
cold air
Cold intake.
intake,
Yeah.
I mean, didn't need to tune anything or...
Put that bitch right on.
I might have to.
Because I can't put a blowout valve on this.
Yeah.
Like some cars like Sam's, like
Yeah.
the unreleased air, you can just,
Put a one on there, yeah.
and that's where he gets that sound. But Honda like reuses the air with these.
Mm.
But you might be able to own them.
That's fucking loud as fuck.
They are.
That's crazy.
I'm not trying to do too much to it because I don't plan on keeping it, you know?
Yeah, if you're not, I mean,
I'm honestly comfortable with how it sits now.
Yeah,
At this point, it's just whatever else I want to do.
for sure.
I'm just doing minor shit if I do an upgrade the turbo.
That shit looks
Yeah,
good.
it
I
looks-
keep
do
seeing
look good though,
videos
bro.
of these and they're fucking crazy.
Yeah.
They're nice for what they are.
Yeah.
Doing the transmission, they be quicker.
Oh, you get to your transmission? Yeah.
You can, like, but if you could, that 10-speed.
Oh, yeah.
You can't
Oh, this
do
10 speed?
Yeah.
Damn, I didn't know that.
They come with the 6-speed or 10-speed.
Yeah. Damn.
The 1.5 liters is like the CVT, but fuck
Yeah.
you don't want that shit.
This motherfucker.
2.0.
2.0, yeah.
Yeah.
I think your engine's a little bit bigger than mine.
It's a 2.3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just the Hondas, bro.
Yeah. Nah, we might pull up on Nate though. He at the shop right now, so
Yeah,
we
he
might.
said he was there. I asked him if he had a jack. He said no.
Oh fuck, that's cool.
What about Elite Auto? Garrett, no.
Oh, a jack? I don't know if they open. I mean, I don't need one now, but I need to go. My jack broke, so I need to go buy a new one.
Harbor Freight, bro.
They probably got car ramps there too.
Oh, for sure, they got it.
Yeah.
I love going there.
Yeah. Cause I think somebody stole my car ramps. I left them outside though, so.
Oh, really?
I see. I just did the brakes on my shit. I had to get a caliper compressor.
Yeah,
$7,
compressor.
bro.
Yeah.
$7.
Yeah.
Harbor Freight?
Cheapest, most useful part I ever.
Yeah.
Tool I ever bought.
Did you change the rotors and the brakes?
Yeah.
You changed both.
Just
of
on the
them.
front.
Yeah.
Man, hold up. I'll show you some.
How long it take you?
I saw that picture.
Hour.
Hour. Yeah.
Hour and a half maybe. It wasn't
Not bad,
long.
dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was toast. You see that? The grooves in it?
Oh damn.
you
Yeah.
see it.
Yeah, bro. That's how my shit was.
You gotta change your shit too. Yeah.
I got the aftermarket performance.
Performance, and you look like it. Yeah.
I like the way those ones look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard that you're not supposed to get like fucking. I think it's the slotted ones because they make crack easier, but
Hmm.
it's good, bro.
That's
They
so
look
cool.
good.
You
Shit.
shouldn't be
Right.
slamming on your brakes anyway, you know what I mean?
Mainly just engine braking, honestly.
Yeah.
I'm trying to preserve my brakes, bro.
You don't think about ever like painting the calipers?
Bro, I think it's tacky, honestly.
For real?
If it's not Brembos, like I wouldn't do
Oh,
it.
I feel it. Yeah.
Like if I got a big brake kit, then it'd come colored. But
Yeah, for sure.
these brakes are decent.
Yeah.
They're not Brembos, but
Yeah.
they stop it fine.
Definitely add some color to that motherfucker. Definitely make it. What color would you even do?
Honestly,
On the brakes.
Oh, bro. Because I'd want like a silver lip and then probably like a white face for my wheels.
Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
Damn.
What?
Speaking of my wheels, bro, what the fuck? Yo,
What is that?
my fucking cap is gone.
Oh, yeah. I see.
That's what. I think I was at the car wash.
But yeah, man, we just cruising. Freaking cruising and shit, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Subscribe to your boy, like the video. Got my boy Nick, Nath. Got the cars. And man, I'll catch y'all, man. Peace.
I'm done buying